Okay, so here it is. It's the Wright River Trace portion of the Trail of Tears. You see that picture right there? That is supposed to be our family, my family Watson's, but nobody can ever point out who is ours and who is the grandpa and everything. I don't know if it says over there. It mentions Watson. And there's the map, but I don't think it says. So, whoops, I'm recording. Ha! Well, you're seeing what's here. You see some prettiness. See? I live in a very pretty state. But let's stop you right now and turn you back. Okay, so hey, you didn't know you were getting a history lesson, did you? But like I said, I did one of those. It wasn't Ancestry. It was, what did I use? Family or something DNA, and I did one on my dad. And basically, big surprise, we come from British Isles, which is basically the part where we come from is Scotland, down to Ireland. We have a little bit of other stuff, but the majority of it is that. But I know a lot of people say them things. That's such bad English. Those tests are like accurate and stuff. What I want to do is get my mom to get one for my mom, have her take it. So I have my dad's results, have my mom's results, then give mine and see if it mine comes up with some wacko stuff, and then either they haven't told me something or they've been keeping secrets from me. There are no pictures of my mom pregnant with me, so I've always told her that. I was like, nah. I look something like my dad, so can't go there. Anyway, so we could see if it all made it matched up, but they actually tested for Native American and it said no. And so I got on the ancestry, I got on like where my family goes, and they're like, well, but we're on the rolls, we're on the Cherokee rolls, census rolls. I don't know. We have a Cherokee Nation thing in town that I could go be a card carrying member of, but I don't know. I tend to believe the DNA stuff. I don't know. I've never seen the rolls though either. So we're gonna go back up here. I've got somebody behind me, of course. I'm on like a 2-lane blacktop road, and I've got somebody behind me. So I'm gonna go back up here and check out this yard sale. It is underneath the little cover thing. Maybe they moved the rest of it inside. If I can see it before I get to it. I didn't realize this Seventh-day Adventist church was so small. I thought it was bigger. So I thought, because I'll probably come up on it and not see it, but I drove quite a ways. Oh, that guy turned good. Because I hate when somebody's following me and I'm going slow. I feel like I'm holding them up. So there's no signs before this place. Nah, they're back behind. Now there's somebody else back behind me. Oh, there's a rock house. I love rock houses. You're just getting a variety of my thoughts today. Don't worry, I'm paying attention to driving. You tell them not looking at you. Okay, there's the big one, the church, and there's the drive-in that used to be driving. So it was before this one. So we passed it now. So we turned around. That's how directionally challenged I am. I'm not a north, south, east, west girl. I'm a up, down, right, left girl. Seriously. I'm people say, well, where's this at in Canada? I'm like, it's next to this. I don't know what to tell you. No streets. They don't tend to. Can't turn around a parking lot. Never bothered me, though. I used to take my mom for drives. Oh, this guy's around my butt. You're going to have to go around me because I am turning up here at the Seventh-day Adventist little bitty yard sale to show them support because they wouldn't have put it out. Maybe it's the best inside. This looks like clothes, and me don't need no clothes. And me don't need no kids' clothes, because me have no kids. And so, seriously, am I just supposed to walk up? This always bothers me. When you're like the first person, you don't see anybody else. There's not anybody out manning it. I wonder if it's like outside and then it's going in. I'll point you over to it and show you it. But hey, it's worth a looky-loo, right? Anyway, what was I saying? No, I used to take my mom on these long drives, and we just hit a gravel road. And she'd say, where we're going? I said, I don't know. But I know this gravel road, even if it connects to 10 others, will eventually come out with a stop sign on a blacktop. We'll figure it out then. Make her so nervous. That was mean, wasn't it? I wasn't doing it to be mean. I didn't realize she was so nervous, so she told me later. It made me nervous. I just figured we'll figure it out. I'm that kind of person. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna put you on stop, turn you around, show you this little bitty yard sale, and then go up and see if I can find anything. I don't know. I don't need anything. So we'll see. Oh,